The Galapagos Island are a famous cluster of volcanic islands spread on the either side of the equator in the Pacific Ocean. It consists of 13 major islands, 6 smaller islands and a group of islets, lying about 1,000 kilometers west of the mainland Ecuador. The archipelago covers a total land area of 8,010 square kilometers, which scatters over 59,570 square kilometers of ocean. The Galapagos National Park forms a part of the islands. Isabela Island is the largest of the island in Galapagos. It is around 132 kilometers long and constitutes more than half of the archipelago. Mount Azul, which is the highest point of Galapagos, is situated in Isabela. History says that the scenic island cluster was discovered by the Bishop of Panama, Tomas de Berlanga, in 1535. It gained international attention after the visit of the English naturalist Charles Darwin in 1835. It was the unique fauna of the islands that contributed to the groundbreaking theories on natural selection presented in Darwin's work on the origin of species, in 1859. Thanks for watching this video.